It's so good. 1 pan sticky chicken and cashew recipe coming right up. Into a bowl, we're gonna start making our marinade. Steady, Katie. Lime, soy sauce, a neutral oil, fresh ginger, garlic, and Chinese 5-spice. Mix it together and smother it over 4 to 6 chicken thighs and legs. Ideally, you want to let this marinate for an hour, even leave it overnight if you can. Pop your chicken into an oven-proof dish, sprinkle generously with sea salt, and then it goes into the oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. When your timer's gone off, you're going to drizzle the chicken with honey. I've got spicy honey, and you can do the same by simply adding a bit of chili to it. Whack in a handful of cashew nuts, then back in the oven for a final 5 minutes. Take your chicken and some of the cashews out of the pan, and you're going to pop in a litre of chicken stock. Throw in some dried noodles, and I've quartered up some pak choy and just sliced in half some tender stem broccoli, and they're all going to go in too. Lid on, then it's on the hob for 5 minutes. Serve it up and voila!